Hi, welcome to the session 10 of Quantitative Techniques 2 for BCom 6th semester, Kuvempu University. This session is about the chapter Games and Strategies. These are the learning objectives, and we are in the last stage of this dominance rule. This session outcome is to find out the saddle point, to see whether we get the saddle point or not. Solve the problem on mixed strategy, finding the value of the game, dominance rule with average calculation. So I want you all to pause this video and solve this. Try to identify and find out the saddle point. If you are getting saddle point, that's okay. Then it is a problem of pure strategy. If not, it has to be solved under mixed strategy, that is formulaic method. But to solve it under formulaic method, we need a 2 by 2 matrix, but it is 2 rows and 4 columns. So that has to be, the problem has to be reduced with to the 2 by 2 matrix. We use the dominance rule. So dominance rule principle tells that for row we have to observe the domination by lesser values and domination by higher values for the columns. Okay, the first step in finding out the dominance rule is finding the total. So total, the first row total is 4 and the second row total is 4. So for row it is the least value. Here the least total is 4 only. So let me select the first one as the least total. Okay, this is my first selection. This first row must be compared to the second row. 1 is greater than 0 and 0 is lesser than 1. So there is no elimination of rows because there is a combination of lesser value and the greater value. So take the total of column to reduce the column. So total of columns can be taken here, can be made here. Okay, for columns it is we are going to see the highest value. That highest value is total is 4. This is my first selection. Let me compare this with others. Minus 1 is lesser than 1 and 5 is greater than 0. Minus 1 is lesser than 0 and 5 is greater than 1. Minus 1 is less than 4 and 5 is greater than minus 2. Let me go with second selection. This is my second selection. Okay. 4 is greater than 1, minus 2 is less than 0. 4 is greater than 0 and minus 2 is less than 1. 4 is less than minus 1 and minus 2 is lesser than. 4 is greater than minus 1 and minus 2 is lesser than 5. So not possible. So this is third selection. 1 is greater than 0 and 0 is lesser than 1. 1 is lesser than 4 and 0 is greater than minus 2 because it is minus over here. 1 is less than minus 1, greater than minus 1 and 0 is less than 5. So there is a combination of 0 and 1. So let me compare the last one also. 0 is less than 1 and 1 is greater than 0. 0 is less than 4 and 1 is greater than minus 2. 0 is greater than -1 and 1 is less than 5. So there is a combination of greater values and lesser values which cannot be reduced, or which cannot be the columns or rows cannot be reduced. So we follow the average of columns and rows. Here average of rows cannot be done because we have only 2 rows. To compare the average, we need one more row. So here only 2 rows are available. So for that condition, we are going to prepare or find out the average of columns only. So finding the average of columns, the first one, we have first two columns average must be compared with 3 and 4, that is 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 average must be identified. So let me take the first one, 1 and 2. 1 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 0 close the bracket divided by 2 is 0.5. Likewise 0 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 0 plus 5 close the bracket divided by 2. So the answer is 2.5. So let us compare this with this. Sorry, 0 plus 1 it is. 0 plus 1. So the answer is 0.5 only. Okay, compare these two. So let me tell that I have selected these. Okay, I have selected this. So 1 and 2 column must be compared to 3 and 4. Greater value must be deleted. 0.5, for this one we have 0.5. 0.5 is lesser than 4. 0.5 is greater than -2 because it is minus. 0.5 is greater than -1. 0.5 is lesser than 5. Not possible. So let us go for taking the average of second column and third column, that is 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 it is. So for taking 2 and 3, it is 0 plus 4 equal to 0 plus 4 close the bracket divided by 2. So the answer is 2. Then 1 plus of -2. 1 plus of -2 is 1 minus 2 only, equal to 1 minus 2 close the bracket divided by 2. So the answer is minus 0.5. So let us compare this with 2 and 3, right? Okay, 2 and 3. Let us compare this with 1 and 4. 2 is greater than 1, minus 0.5 is less than 0. 2 is greater than -1, minus 0.5 is less than 5. So combination of lesser and greater is not possible. So this option is not correct for us for our solution. So let us take the column 3 and 4. Okay, column 3 and 4. So for column 3 and 4, it is like this. 4 minus 1, that is equal to 4 minus 1 close the bracket divided by 2 is 1.5. Likewise, minus 2 plus 5 equal to minus 2 plus 5 close the bracket whole divided by 2. The average is 1.5. So let us compare this with this one. So we have taken the average of this. Okay, 1.5 is greater than 1 and 1.5 is greater than 0. So we got the greater values. As we are comparing the columns, so we need to cancel the greater one. So greater one means here the 1.5 is cancelled. 1.5 is created out of the average which is of 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 must be cancelled over here. You can cancel like this, or you can cancel single also. Here we have got 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, 2 by 2 matrix. So this is 1, 0 and 0 and 1. It is 2 by 2 matrix. So using the formulaic method, this is the formula. For x, it is a2b2 minus a2b1 divided by a1b1 plus a2b2 minus a1b2 plus a2b1, that is 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 0 minus 0 minus 0. So denominator will be same for everyone, x, y and value of the game. So the answer is 1 by 2. Again for y it is like this, a2 b2 minus a1 b2, that is 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 0 plus 0. So the answer is 1 by 2 only. Then for the value of the game, the numerator 1 into 1 plus minus 0 into 0, 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 0 plus 0. So the answer is 1 by 2. So optimal strategy, the value of the game is 0.5. Likewise, optimal strategy is like this. 0.450, 1 minus 0.50 is 0.50 only, and likewise we are going to calculate. And we have one more problem over here. Solve the following game. Find the optimum strategy for A and B and determine the value of the game. So to solve this, okay, we'll solve the solution now here. This is the second problem, dominance rule. So if we solve also, we don't get the saddle point. So directly I'm moving on to the dominance rule, because the intention of solving this problem is to know the solution by dominance rule. So taking the total of row is the first step we have got. So take the total. Okay, so we have got the total, where for row it is the least value, lesser than equal to is accepted. So the lesser value is 5 over here. We can select whichever the 5 we want. So let me select the first one. So let me highlight this. Okay, this is my first selection. Compare the second row values to the other rows. 2 is equal and 3 is lesser than 4. So equal is accepted, lesser than equal to is accepted. So lesser value must be deleted. So let me delete the second one. Okay, lesser valued row is deleted, and this is my second selection. Okay, 3 is greater than 2 and 2 is less than 4, not possible. 3 is greater than minus 1 and 2 is less than 6, not possible. Then go with the next one, next selection. This is my third selection. Okay, for writing this, there is no hard and fast rule. This is only for reference, writing the selections. Okay, the selection is this one, fourth row. Minus 1 is less than 2 and 6 is greater than 4. Minus 1 is less than 3 and 6 is greater than 2. So not possible. Let me see, compare this also. 2 is less than 3 and 4 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than minus 1 and 4 is less than 6. So not possible. We have to go with the step number 2, payoff matrix after row reduction. Row is reduced, so second row is reduced. So okay, second row is reduced, so it is 1, 3 and 4. Here player, the information is like this. Take the total of the columns. Payoff matrix after row reduction, we should go for column reduction. So the total of Okay, total is calculated. Now it is we should select the highest one. So the highest is 12, because always for column the highest value. This is my first selection. 4 is greater than 2, 2 is less than 3, 6 is greater than minus 1, not possible. So there is a combination of lesser than and greater than. So rather than find or selecting the four total and seeing, so it is only 2 columns we have. Because of only 2 columns, we can't compare to other, then it is same only. Then we go with the next step, taking the average. To take the average, we should see by taking the average which has to be compared. Here we have got only 2 columns. For taking the average of columns is not possible. If you take the columns average also, you can't compare with the third column. There is no third column here. So better to take the average of rows. So step number 3, the average of rows are like this. Okay, average of rows are like this. Let me start from the first one, that is taking the average of first and third. So first and third. Okay, first and third. It is like this, first and third. 2 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 2 plus 3 close the bracket divided by 2. So it is 2.5. Then it is 4 and 2 equal to 4 plus 2 close the bracket divided by 2. So the answer is 3. So compare these okay, this average I have taken, so I should compare this with the fourth row. 2.5 is greater than minus 1 and 3 is less than 6. So not possible. Go for the next